Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Here in this video, we are going to discuss how we can install and use NordVPN on Chromebook. So with that being said, let's get started. For that, simply open Google Play Store, search for NordVPN, select it from the search result, then click on install and wait for the installation process to complete. After that, you can simply click on open button, or else you can open NordVPN application from the app launcher. Click on app launcher icon, look for NordVPN, open it and log in with your NordVPN account. And after that, simply follow the on-screen instruction and click on secure my connection. Then click on OK and it will get connected to the selected VPN network. However, if your Chromebook does not support Google Play Store, then you can still use NordVPN on your Chromebook. For that, we are going to use NordVPN extension. Click on App Launcher icon, open Web Store application, or else you can simply visit chromewebstore.google.com on your Chrome browser. Here, search for NordVPN, select it from the search result, click on Add to Chrome, click on Add Extension. Once it gets installed, you can simply pin the NordVPN extension to the Chromebook toolbar. For that, click on extension icon, click on pin icon. Now to connect to a VPN network, click on NordVPN, accept the license agreement, log in to your NordVPN account. Once log in, select the VPN location and you are ready to use it. So that's it. This is how you can install and use NordVPN on a Chromebook. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.